Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so grateful to have you here today. As always, I want to create a space where we can explore introspective and motivational topics that inspire us to live our best lives. So let's dive right in. Today, I want to talk about something that might not be the most exciting topic, but it's definitely an important one: spring cleaning your finances. Now, I know what you're thinking. Finances can be overwhelming and stressful, but trust me, taking control of your money can be incredibly empowering and liberating. When we talk about spring cleaning our finances, we're talking about budgeting and financial wellness. It's about taking a closer look at our spending habits, evaluating our financial goals, and making sure we're on the right track to achieve them. Now, I know budgeting can sound restrictive, but it's actually quite the opposite. Creating a budget allows us to take control of our money and make intentional choices about how we spend it. It's about aligning our spending with our values and priorities. And let me tell you, when you start seeing your money work for you, it's a game changer. Financial wellness goes beyond just budgeting. It's about developing healthy habits and attitudes towards money. It's about saving for the future, investing wisely, and being mindful of our financial decisions. When we have a solid foundation of financial wellness, we can navigate life's ups and downs with confidence and peace of mind. So, how does this resonate with you? Maybe you've been feeling overwhelmed by your finances, constantly living paycheck to paycheck. Or perhaps you've been dreaming of that dream vacation, but your bank account just doesn't seem to cooperate. Spring cleaning your finances can be the first step towards turning those dreams into reality. I challenge you to take a closer look at your financial situation. Start by creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and identifying areas where you can cut back. Set realistic financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. And remember, progress is more important than perfection. Small steps in the right direction can lead to significant changes over time. So, my friends, let's spring clean our finances together. Let's take control of our money and create a future that is financially abundant and fulfilling. I believe in each and every one of you, and I know that you have the power to transform your financial situation. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soulful Summit for more content like this. And remember, you are capable of achieving financial wellness. It's time to take that first step towards a brighter financial future. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay inspired.